Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing VS Code and the essential tools so you can work immediately. Install Git and Node. JS if you will run or test code locally. They provide terminals and package managers. Once installed, open VS Code and sign into sync settings so your preferences follow you. Make sure to set a readable font size and a theme that reduces eye strain. These steps give you a stable foundation and let you add features without friction. Next, configure the core settings that shape day-to-day work. Open Settings and enable autosave and format on save so code stays clean. Set tab size and indentation to match your project. Install critical extensions like Prettier and ESLint for consistent formatting, plus language packs such as Python or LiveServer for quick previews. Make sure your integrated terminal uses the preferred shell and point VS Code to your Git path. These choices speed development and reduce repetitive fixes. Finish by tailoring each project workspace so settings follow the code. Create a workspace file, add a VS Code folder with settings and a launch, JSON for debugging, and enable extensions only where needed. Map a few key bindings to speed common tasks and add file or folder exclusions to keep searches fast. If something breaks, check the Output panel and Developer Tools console for errors, reload the window, or reinstall the problematic extension. This final polish keeps your environment fast, predictable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.